Here's the new bridge out here by the old bridge that's spanning the Little Arkansas. That's going to be for the siding for the UP. There's how the old bridge sets, and there's where the new bridge sets. All of that there done. This is ready to go here, or done here, welded up there, and they'll put the piece from right there to right there, and this will be completed. Boy, this is something else. Construction at its finest. Wow. Man. That is something else. See all the stuff written here on the side of the bridge. 8/10/23 is when this was done. This thing is going to be something else. This here, they put extra sheets of steel on here because this is where the river goes through. Quarter inch steel. They're not messing around. They put it on both sides. Both sides. Of course, you can see how big those massive cement blocks are there. Right there. See how big those are. So, you're not messing around. These guys are, it's Friday, so they're off for the day, so thought I'd come down here and take a quick peek. Show you guys what they got finished up here. And here's this is on this side of it, which I guess you'd call it the south side of it. So there's that there. Kind of got the camera over to the side here. There's a turnout. Hope the sun's not in the way. There's the turnout that they're going to be putting in here. Be very big, very heavy. Again, they're not messing around. This is going to be something else when they get it done. That is going to be something else when they get it done. And I imagine they'll use that right there or whatever, and that to set it in place. So we thought we'd show you this out here. This is where it's gonna go and head on down towards Inman. Right there. So, I'm gonna take this real easy. This gravel's a little soft through here. So, guys, get a chance, come out and take a look. It's right at the Medora turn off. Go to the old 61 like you're going towards Bueller, and then head here on the dead end, and right back here is where she's at. So thanks for watching, guys. We appreciate it. See you for now. Hope you have a great weekend.